Hello and welcome to another Simple Trading Ideas trading tutorial. In this Simple Trading Ideas trading tutorial, we're going to cover why trading discipline is so important. Now, often in the fast-paced hustle and bustle world of trading, there's much written about trading plans, trading systems, etc. And I've written a lot about these things myself. These are all essential components of successful trading and must be understood as well as properly applied. Now, another key component to successful trading that is often overlooked and misunderstood is trading discipline. Now, what is trading discipline, you ask? Well, simply put, trading discipline is the ability to do what needs to be done when it needs to be done. Merriam-Webster describes discipline as a rule or system of rules governing conduct or activity. Merriam-Webster also describes discipline simply as self-control. So discipline as it applies to trading can be simply described as self-control, which leads to the all-important action of follow-through. Now, the self-control aspect of trading is not instantly obvious to those who are just starting out. In fact, trading discipline is just flat out confusing to some beginning traders. Now, with that said, let's take a look at an example of the importance of discipline. Now, discipline is important to achieve any goals one sets for themselves. And nowhere in the realm of self-improvement, personal development, does this ring truer than in the goals of transforming our own physical bodies. Now, let's say, for instance, that we know of a person who wants to lose weight, or a typical person that wants to lose weight. In general, you lose weight by burning more calories than you consume. You would think that with a large number of people wanting to achieve this goal, but failing to achieve this goal, that weight loss was some infinitely difficult to understand process. Now, I can tell you from personal experience that it is not. If you go to your family physician, perhaps they can outline a weight loss program for you, or you could follow one of the many popular weight loss systems such as Nutrisystem or Jenny Craig. In short, there are no shortages of information or roadmaps to successful weight loss. So let's think about that for a moment. Since there are so many different weight loss plans that can lead to success for people who want to lose weight, then why do so many people not achieve their goal of losing weight? While there can be exceptions to this, for the most part, I would say that most people fail to lose weight simply because they fail to follow through on a proven, simple weight loss plan. Simply put, they know what to do, but simply do not follow through and do it. So, with all other things being equal, the difference between those who lose weight successfully and those who do not is discipline. Now, you may say I'm oversimplifying the whole weight loss picture and that there are a lot of emotional components that go into it, and I wouldn't disagree with you. But as I've had personal experience in this area, I can say that if I failed to lose weight, that it was simply because I failed to follow through on a simple weight loss plan. Like many people who have successfully lost weight, I love good food and found it very challenging to adjust my intake of something that I love so much. In life, it's not so much what you feel about something that matters, is what you do about it that counts. So, you may be asking yourself, what does all this have to do with trading discipline? Well, you've probably heard the statistics that a large percentage of those who enter into the trading arena fail to trade successfully. Now, there are a number of reasons why people do not trade successfully, but one of the important traits that all successful traders share is that they trade with discipline. There's a lot of good information available on simple and successful trading methods, so the problem for many new traders is not the lack of information, but the lack of the application of good information. Now, if a trader has the best trading plan, well-funded account, and technology at their disposal, this alone does not guarantee their success. Much like the typical person who fails to lose weight, even traders that have all the necessary information available to them will not experience success without exercising discipline. Now, one of the most important steps in not only creating your trading discipline but maintaining your trading discipline is to be prepared prior to trading with any real money. Preparation is what gives you the confidence to move forward, as it is the confidence that makes it so much simpler to trade with discipline. It is quite unfortunate that the preparation aspect of trading is so often overlooked. Much of this stems from the fact that many new traders are led to believe that they can open an account with a few $1,000s and begin to trade successfully. Also, new traders are constantly bombarded by the almost endless number of get-rich-quick schemes which promise riches with little or no work. It stands to reason that a large number of those who trade unsuccessfully have purchased some canned trading solution promising instant riches. So let's get on to some examples of proper trading discipline. Okay, learning to trade properly before taking a single trade with real money in a real money account. The exercise of patience in trading is extremely important, and many people want to jump the gun, and instead of the ready, aim, fire, it's more like fire, aim, maybe ready, or some convoluted combination in the incorrect sequence. So you learn to trade properly before you trade with real money. In other words, find a practice account. Many of the brokers, in fact, most brokers offer free accounts that you can practice, and they provide you with quotes and charts and those types of things where you can jump right in and get a lot of experience, especially with your favorite broker's platform. And practicing on a particular platform helps you to become familiar with it, and becoming familiar with it helps you to eliminate needless mistakes. Okay, so that in and of itself helps you towards the practice makes perfect type of scenario. Now, not that you'll trade perfectly, and not that you'll feel differently about trading in a real money account than you will in a practice account, but in a practice account you'll get the mechanics down. Also, in a practice account you have the opportunity to see if your trading ideas and methods pan out. If your account balance in your practice account continually declines, then you can pretty much rest assured that it's not going to work out with real money as well. Okay, so number two, taking trades when your trading system dictates you should. This is very important. The first component of that, of course, is to have a trading system that you believe in and have confidence in, and that works, and that you've researched and investigated. And I'm saying that from the standpoint of you developing your own trading methods, because one size simply does not fit all. Okay. Number three, respecting the risk levels as outlined by your trading system and applying them as dictated. This is particularly important. Don't violate the risk levels, because controlling your risk means you control your reward. You don't control your risk, there is no reward to control. So paying attention to risk is extremely important. It's not spoken about enough. It's almost as if everybody gets involved in trading and trade successfully, and it doesn't really work out that way. Okay. Number four, only trading with risk capital, that is money that you can afford to lose and not have it affect your lifestyle. That's very important. If you trade with money that you can't afford to lose, then you're going to end up trading with what's known as scared money. And it's difficult to trade with scared money because that's money that you need for other things. Now, the market doesn't care about you needing money for anything. So it's not like it's going to reward you just because, you took mortgage money and try to multiply that mortgage money. It doesn't respect that. Okay, so trades and trading oftentimes are touted as income opportunities, and with these types of thoughts, many people believe that they can, replace the day job or whatever. And it is true, you can do that. You can do all kinds of amazing things, and you can become fabulously wealthy trading, but you have to do it properly, and it takes a lot of hard work, and there's a lot more to it than running out and buying the brand new shiny $97 trading system. That's the latest one that's being advertised on the internet. Okay, so again, proper trading, and you're exercising discipline by waiting until you have the proper amount of risk capital as dictated by your trading system. Or if you already have it, then of course you can move ahead from there. Okay. Number 5, understanding that losing trades are a natural part of trading. This is very difficult for many beginners to wrap their heads around. Some people don't even like to say the word lose or losing, and it's just part of it. Trading is not about trying to have 100% winners or 99% winners. If someone had a system like that that worked and that would work all the time and that would work into the future, that would be great. Love to trade that myself, but in reality, successful trading can be done without a high percentage of winning trades, and getting hung up on losing trades will destroy a trader's account for a number of reasons, and that's because some people will see losing trades and then it just freaks them out. I mean, I remember first starting out, having losing trades. I was like, how can I possibly be wrong? I've done all the research, I've done the this, I've done the that, and in reality, I went off and approached trading in a very half-baked and unprepared effort, and took shortcuts. And by taking shortcuts in trading, there is one thing that is certain: you will be shortchanged. In other words, you're not going to get the profits that you want. So losing trades are a natural part, of trading. It causes a lot of beginning traders to stop trading after several consecutive losing trades. And if your trading system it's a good one, and of course, if you want to find out more about good trading systems and trading system evaluation, you need to learn more about that, and we've got more of that information at www.simpletradingideas. But sticking with a good system it takes discipline. It does take discipline. Okay, so off the losing trades and on to number 6. Understanding and accepting that your account equity will fluctuate as your trading system is in sync as well as out of sync with the markets. Yes, your account equity will fluctuate. You start off with your $10, $20, $30, or $40,000, whatever the amount might happen to be. Then the $10,000, you will notice that it will not be multiplied to $50,000 in a straight line fashion. You may go 10,000 to 10,250 to 10,780, then to 10,350, whatever the case might be. But your equity will fluctuate because your trading system is simply not always going to be in sync with the market. When it is in sync with the market, it's a beautiful thing, and you can expect some good trades, some excellent profits. If you understand and accept that your equity will fluctuate, this means that when your equity does start to dip, if you're using a good trading system, good trading strategy, have your trading plan in place, then you should understand ahead of time. That's part of preparation. You understand ahead of time that, yes, the trading system I am using can possibly dip cause equity to dip when it's out of sync with the market. So that makes perfect sense. So to summarize, if someone asked me why trading discipline is so important, I would tell them because it is essential to trade successfully, which sounds very obvious. I would tell them that it is not just a good trading plan or trading system which makes a trader successful. It is that trader's level of discipline to follow through on a good trading plan or trading system and continue to follow through in order to profit in the future. That concludes the Simple Trading Ideas trading tutorial on why trading discipline is so important. Thank you for taking the time to join us for another Simple Trading Ideas trading tutorial. Please feel free to come to our website at www.simpletradingideas.com for more great trading information. Thank you and have a phenomenal day.